Alright, this is lot number 266 in our auction that's upcoming. He's pretty cool. He's got a little wind up on the side. He's slightly wound, but we're going to wind him up some good so you can see what he does. Alright, here he is. Whee! Look at him go. He's pretty cool. Does like to go in a circle. We'll give him another wind. He's awful fun. There he goes. Santa's out on a ride. Yep, he's winding down. Well, if you're as old as Santa is here, you might be a little slow too. There he is. You can see the bottom and the little metal wheels. He's got a cute little license plate back there, made in Japan.